Welcome to qnawire.
Let us first draw the free body diagram of the path of aircraft. FBD of path of aircraft. Let us first draw the FBD of the path. So this is the axis, this is the y axis, this is x axis. So this is plus and this is minus x, this is plus x, and this is y. So let us draw the path. So it will be like this. It will be like this. So the path is going to be like this. Now this is given as 1000 and the velocity here is a perpendicular velocity. So this is first velocity and this is y and this is VYO. So this is VYO, this is y and this is VXO. This is point B. This is point B. Point of impact. This is point of impact. Now let us write the equation of final distance in the z direction. So we will write z is equals to z naught plus vz naught t plus half a zt square. Here final distance in the z direction is z and initial distance in z direction is z naught and vz naught is the velocity in z direction. So let us substitute these values. So it is 0, z naught is 1500 plus vz naught is 0 plus the value of az is minus 32.2 multiplied by t square, or from here we will get t is equals to 9.65 second. Now let us write the equation of final distance in the x direction. So we will write x is equals to x naught plus vx naught t. So let us put the values. So x is minus x and x naught is 0 plus vx naught is 130 multiplied by time we have calculated as 9.65. So from here we get x is equals to minus x is equals to 1255 feet. Now let us write the equation of final distance in y direction. So we will write y is equals to y naught plus vy naught multiplied by t. So the value of y is equals to the value of y naught is 1000 plus value of velocity, initial velocity in the direction of y naught is 20 multiplied by time we have calculated as 9.65. So from here we get y is equals to 1193 feet. So the coordinate for the point of impact, hence coordinate for point of impact will be minus 1255 comma 1193 comma 0 feet. This is the required coordinate. This is the required coordinate of point B or point of impact.